Hello student, today we are going to learn about pushdown automata. In shortcut you can call it as a PDA. So before going to PDA, so actually we have four types of languages and these four types of languages are accepted by four different types of automatas. Okay, so what are the languages and what are the automatas, those which can be accepted by the automata. Now see this one. Suppose if we have a finite automata or suppose taking the regular grammar. If we have a regular grammar or regular language, the regular languages are accepted by the automata type finite automata. Okay, the regular languages are accepted by the finite automata. Then we have a context free language. Context free language and which are accepted by pushdown automata PDA. Okay, then we have a context sensitive language and this can be accepted by linear bounded automata. And next we have a unrestricted language and which can be accepted by Turing machine. So these are the four different types of languages or grammars and which can be accepted by these four different types of automata. And if you are taking the diagram for this one, now see this one. Regular languages are accepted by finite automata and context free languages are accepted by the pushdown automata. Okay, and context sensitive languages are accepted by the linear bounded automata and unrestricted languages are accepted by the Turing machine. Now see this one. Okay, so we have a regular language. So these regular languages are inside of your context free language and these context free languages are inside your context sensitive language and these context sensitive languages are inside of your unrestricted languages. So what is the relationship between these circles of each and every circle here? Now see this one. The regular languages are subset of context free languages. Subset of context free language and these context free languages are subset of context sensitive language and it is subset of unrestricted language. Okay, so there is a relationship between the each and every language here. Means you can also think like this. All the regular languages are context free languages. Why? Because what is the circle here? Regular language circle is inside of your context free language. Means all regular languages are context free languages and all context free languages are context sensitive languages and all context sensitive languages are unrestricted languages here. So that's why I'm writing the relation here. Regular language is subset of context free language and it is subset of context sensitive language and it is subset of your unrestricted language. Okay, now till now we have seen that regular languages and finite automata and equivalence between the regular language or regular grammar to finite automata and finite automata to regular grammar. Now what is the second type here? Context free language and these context free languages are accepted by the pushdown automata. If we have a regular language or regular grammar, we can draw the automata for the regular language or grammars here. Now suppose if we have a context free language or context free grammar, now how to draw the pushdown automata for the context free language or context free grammar. Okay, now let us see this one. So these context free languages are accepted by the which type of automata? Pushdown automata. Okay, now this come to the first automata, actually finite automata. These finite automata having 5 tuples. So what are the 5 tuples here? Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, QF or F here. So where Q is the number of states, okay, sigma is the, let us write that one. Q is the number of states in your automata, okay, and sigma is the input alphabet. It consists of input symbols, input alphabet, and delta is the transition function or mapping function. Transition function or mapping function. And Q naught is the initial state. Q naught is initial state. of automata. QF or F is the final state of your automata. Final state of automata. Okay. Now these are the 5 tuples that is belongs to your finite automata. Now what is our automata now? It is a push down automata. Now come to PDA. So push down automata having here the tuples totally we have 7 tuples here. So what are the 7 tuples? So these 5 tuples are common in the push down automata also, that is Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, QF or F. So these are also included in the push down automata. And extra we have 2 tuples here, that is tau symbol and the Z naught symbol.